Davis, and I'm the inventor of the Kangaroo Hanger, which is essentially a big paper clip for your clothes, and it will clip in everything in your closet. It's also made with 100% recycled materials in Wisconsin. So I wanted to talk today about international expansion on Amazon. And this might be kind of weird for me to talk about because Kangaroo is still domestic, but I do actually have experience scaling on Amazon internationally in the past with another brand that I own. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about those experiences and what I'm going to do differently with the Kangaroo Hanger to make sure that international expansion is extremely successful. Expanding internationally on Amazon is probably the easiest international expansion opportunity that there is. Amazon has warehouses across the globe and it allows you to essentially ship your product to them in any country and have them fulfill it for you. They'll even translate your listings for you. So it's extremely easy to get started. But there were a few things that I did wrong with my previous expansion that I'm going to do differently with the Kangaroo Hanger. So I learned the hard way that different products in different countries perform quite differently than in the US. So it doesn't necessarily make sense to go all in and ship to every country you possibly can a bunch of product, because one country could be selling out where another, the product is just sitting there and you're paying storage fees on it. So what I'm going to do with the Kangaroo Hanger as we expand internationally this year is I'm going to start with certain regions. So generally the easiest regions to expand on Amazon initially in the US are Canada and Mexico, because they're bordered to the US. And so Amazon has programs where they'll essentially just ship product to Amazon Canada and Amazon Mexico for you, and you don't really have to do anything. You can just ship your product to the US FBA facility and they'll distribute and they'll ship your products to Amazon Canada and Mexico. But as we expand internationally to other continents, what I'm gonna do, and a little thing that I've learned is we're gonna start by expanding into specific regions, testing that region, and then making a decision whether we're gonna stay there or not. And then expand region by region from there, because you'll be able to focus on the regulations and the specific advertising that needs to be done in that region. And if you ever need hangers, check out the Kangaroo Hanger.